Good afternoon, guys. I'm Deepak Bhatlavande. Today, I'll be presenting you with Microsoft Fabric introduction, where we'll be having some small agenda to which we'll follow what exactly is Microsoft Fabric first, second, how does it works, then third, what advantages, or let's say why it has been created, isn't it? What is the motto behind that? Why? Okay, we'll be going through these 3 points and we'll be understanding what exactly Microsoft Fabric is. So let us begin. Here, Microsoft Fabric, what exactly it is? It is an end-to-end analytic platform that provides a single integrated environment for data professionals and business to collaborate on data projects. Basically, they are cleaning data silos issue. They are cleaning silos issue. Okay, this problem has been solved over here. Now, how exactly they have eliminated this, or let's say how they have been working on this? The thing is, they are unifying the data and analytical approach or analytical synapses, where their simplified data process is available and seamless synergy. In short, if I have to say that, bringing all your data analytical together in a single powerful platform instead of having different platform, different sources for a data, it will initiate to gather that data in one single platform. That platform will call as one lake. I would not say platform, but one place which is called one lake. From there, you can extract the data without getting logged in or logged out in that scenario. Okay, you just simply just drag the data. You can simply use, or you can use directly over there also. Okay, so this solves most of the problem over here. Because of that, there are huge issue regarding data silos. Now, what exactly this data silos is a point that I'm referring over here. This data silos refers to isolated repository of a data within an organization where information is not easily accessible or shared across different department or system. We already have experienced this. Now, what could be cause? There are lots of causes. For example, if you are talking about technology basis, different department may have separate or incompatible system for storing the data and managing it, which ultimately leads difficulty in exchanging information. So because of that, if that data is available in one particular place, that is called one lake, that solves this. Again, it simplifies data process, which allows us to streamingly complex data tasks for faster and smarter solutions. Also, enhances productivity through integrating Microsoft 365 and Copilot, which is an AI. So let us understand in further that how it works. Here, there are basically some components, or there are a few components which are working behind the scene. Which are those? Those are Power BI, Data Factory, One Lake, databases, real-time intelligence, Fabric data engineering, Fabric data science, Fabric data warehouse. These are main components which are working behind, which we cannot see, but yes, they are doing their flawless work. Power BI finds insights, it tracks progress and makes decision faster using interactive visuals for decision making. One lake stores all the organization data in one lake and single unified logical data lake. So we don't have to wander here and there. Real-time intelligence discovers insight for your streaming data. Here basically it is analytical aspect, analytics that we are talking about here. Not only analytics, but also it works on data science also, where powerful insights using AI and machine learning are applied. Technologies are being applied over there. So if you look over here, you can see that there are different departments, domains specifically, if I have to say, that they are gathering at one place. You can get insights, you can visualize the data, you can do analysis, you can use one lake as one place storage, then data factory which solves complex data ingestion, transformations, orchestrations, issues, scenarios. database where you can use SQL, T-SQL, KQL, all those are available. This is how OneLake works, or let's say Microsoft works. Now let us understand how this works in behind. Let's say if data has been fetched, so the mechanic behind it. So when I have one of a visual over here, one map, this is how it works. So let me represent this. Let me clarify this first and then we will go back. See this. This over here, you can see that there are different shortcuts. So these shortcuts are referring to different sources which are available. Different sources which are available. It can be from Azure, Amazon, Dataverse, Google, or anywhere. Different. We have more than 150 plus connections. We'll go through there also. Once you have the data, let's say once you call out the data, you can store in OneLake over this. And once we have the data in that particular department, or say in that particular platform, where you can use different engines. This serverless computes are engines where you can use Spark, T-SQL, KQL, analytical services like Power BI, and so on and so forth. That can be applied. Once you have this applied method over here, whatever result, whatever conclusion you have, reports and dashboards, can be shared to your end user. It's as simple as this. This makes much more easier for anyone to work with different varieties of tools to work in a single platform. Here, you can simply see this. It's a unified storage. OneLake provides single organization wide data lake that eliminates silos, as we have talked. Then it not only do this part, but also while sharing, it also allows you to use technology and governance of data, where to share, whom to share, how to share. All those are available for this particular part, where a specific element which is called Microsoft Purview, Purview, is involved, which governs the data to flow. Okay, where security, managing, everything comes in that. So based on that, an end-to-end integrated with data factory, where you can see that broad of connectivities are more than 150 plus connections. Some of them which I mentioned over here are database, where SQL servers, Oracle, MySQL can easily be connected, like cloud storage, Azure, data lakes, Gen2, Azure Cosmos, streaming, Kafka, Google, others, ODBC data, OData, OLED, different sources can be connected very easily, which for this becomes very user friendly because we don't have to write any code, or let's say which is minimal and no code methodology, by using mapping flows and pipelines. This also helps for the collaboration and scale wherever we want the data, or let's say wherever you want to scale your conclusion, or let's say wherever you want to scale, you can scale it very easily also. With this advantage is, we can also have powerful analytical with Synapses using Spark, SQL, ML run directly on OneLake without data movement. As I mentioned earlier, data engineering, scalable Spark processing for big data tasks can be easily done. Data warehousing, where SQL analytics can be easily performed using queries. Data science integration, ML model and integration can be done there also. So this was regarding analytical aspect. Here Azure data synapses or analytics is been involved. With this real-time insight, we can streaming the data. It is very easy for us to streaming the data. Powerful queries can be applied. Dynamic dashboards are available, and use cases are also available for our machine learning and other data science aspects. Then business intelligence can easily apply interactive dashboards, seamless integration, collaborate and share. They are designing engaging reports with intuitive drag and drop tools. It's very easy for them also, and for anyone who wants to interact. Connect directly to OneLake data in just few clicks. Share insight across teams and embedded visuals in apps and sites. Now What would be benefited? You can simply understand that its simplified landscape provides one platform for all data analytical and data analysis needs. You don't have to wonder here and there. It's faster insights. It accelerates integration and data-driven decisions. It enhanced collaboration for sharing across your entire organization. This totally removes data silos issues. It also governs consistent policy to protect your valuable data assets, where AI is also incorporated for solutions to improve your performance, or performance intelligence is also there, which we can perform. So here you can incorporate that also. Now, on conclusion of that, we can say that Microsoft Fabric transforms data challenges into opportunities. Its streamlined workflow improves collaborations and delivers AI powered insight. If you think you're ready to accelerate, or if you think you're working or also planning for this journey on Microsoft Fabric, please contact us, and then we will see how we can empower your organization today. Okay, thank you for the presence. Thank you.